i35equipment.com. Today we're in the Hitachi 210-6 Hydraulic Track Excavator. Going to be showing you how to utilize the hydraulic quick attach system on here. It's pretty basic and simple. We've already got our machine operating, running. We're going to drop the safety handle and there's no one around us here. Just going to pull up on the bucket, bring the arm back. Just bear with me. It is a little bit of work to do one-handed while holding the camera. We're going to get to a good view where you can see it, hopefully, what's going on. All that's really happening here is there's a hydraulic cylinder that's pushing back against your back or bottom bucket pin. Really tough to see. But to release that, you're going to have it folded up like that. Then you're going to go here to your coupler release switch, push down the red and flip it. It's going to give you the beep. Let you know, hey, this bucket's loose, you don't want to dig with it. We're pulling the right joystick over to the left to release that cylinder. It's going to release against that pin and you should be free to go. We're going to go ahead and take it off. Unscoop from it. There it is, guys. Hope that video was beneficial to you. Yeah, we could have done it smoother, but we also could have used two hands and not been holding the camera. Appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of heavy equipment online, www.i35equipment.com. Before we go, we're going to show you what it looks like without the bucket on there so you can see what the cylinder is actually doing and how it's locking up. All right, there's our hydraulic quick attach system. We're going to lock it in now. You're going to see that cylinder going back out where it would lock against your rear pin or your bottom pin. You see it's going all the way back there into a locked position. Trying to make it to where you can see it a little better. There you go. That would be a full locked position right there. And then of course this top one is just going to clamp around your top pin. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope the video was beneficial. Website's www.i35equipment.com. Hope you have a wonderful day.